These SCITOO towing mirrors are purpose-built for late 1990s and early 2000s Ford Super Duty trucks, giving them a factory-style upgrade that looks and fits correctly. The large mirror glass and extended housing provide a much wider rear view, which makes towing long trailers or campers feel noticeably more controlled and less stressful. Integrated amber turn signals on the mirror backs are bright and easy to see, adding a welcome layer of visibility for surrounding traffic when changing lanes or turning. Power adjustment through the stock interior controls lets you fine-tune the mirror angle from the driver's seat, which is especially handy when swapping drivers or hooking up a trailer. The heated main mirror surface clears frost and reduces fogging in cold or wet weather, so you spend less time scraping and more time actually seeing what is behind you. Sold as a matched driver and passenger pair and tested for durability, these mirrors feel solid on the road with minimal vibration and a reassuringly sturdy build.